Click on Create a Design and type in A4 in the search bar. This is a good size for printing, especially for a coloring book. If you don't see A4 right away, just create a blank page with the same method. Go to the Elements tab and type in something like farm animals or farm characters, anything you want to be in your coloring book. For this coloring book, we want images with black lines that will serve as a great drawing template for the kids. Once you pick an image, simply drag it onto the page, duplicate each animal image and resize it a bit smaller. This smaller version will be your guideline, basically the outline where kids will color within. Click the animal image, then click on Adjust. Adjust everything to -100 except for black and white to stay it at 100%. Click on the text tab and search for the cute fonts to add for your titles. I'll go with something cute and playful, but feel free to explore the font styles that fit your theme. It's all about making it unique for your kids. Now just repeat the same steps for all your characters. For me, farm animals. It's actually super easy once you get the hang of it. I'm going to add a few more animals here and make sure the line art stays bold for the coloring part. Just don't forget, you can always add text to label each animal if you want your kids to learn while coloring. Like cow, chicken, or pig, it's educational and fun. You can add some fun fonts to make it personal. We're working on a children's coloring book. You choose bouncy fonts that are easy to read and have a light-hearted vibe like Comic Sans or Bangers. Once all your animals are ready, let's create the cover page. Actually, Canva has tons of templates for this. Just click on templates and search for coloring book cover. You'll find so many cute and fun designs to choose from. I'm going to choose this one here, but feel free to explore and pick whenever or whichever style matches your theme. Actually, I really love using Canva because it's very user-friendly and it enables anyone, regardless of the skill level, to create beautiful designs that they want. Well, as you can see, it takes just a few seconds to apply the template, but there's still room for customization. Now let's add the animals we've already designed to the cover. You can drag and drop them from the previous pages into the cover design. You might need to resize them a bit, but that's all part of the fun. If you'd like, you can also delete or rearrange some of the template's elements. This is where you can really make it personal. I'll remove some text and design and replace it with the animals I created. You can choose and change colors, fonts, and even add little decorative pieces to give it that special touch. Don't forget to be creative. Actually, this one, it's all about creating a unique design that your kids will love. Take your time and make sure it feels just right. You can even sell it to other people for those who are really buying this kind of stuff. Just don't forget to add your little one's name on the cover. This will make it extra special. I'm adding my son's name here, but you can put any name or even a fun title like Farm Animal. Now that everything is ready, it's time to save your coloring book. Click on the download button and make sure to choose the PDF print. This will give you the highest quality for printing. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Goodbye!